The Turtle and the Monkey. A turtle went to a shop. He said to the shopkeeper, "Please give me some peanuts. I want to give them to my children. They are hungry." The shopkeeper took a small bag of peanuts. He gave it to the turtle. The turtle gave him money for it. The turtle took the bag. He started to walk to his house. On the way, he felt thirsty. He put the bag near the road. Then he went to look for water. A monkey was coming down the road. He saw the bag of peanuts. "Ah, what luck," he said. "I shall have lots of peanuts to eat." The monkey picked up the bag. Then he climbed up a tree and began to eat the peanuts. The turtle drank some water and came back. But he could not find the bag of peanuts. Then he heard a sound, munch munch, munch munch. He looked up and saw a monkey sitting in the tree. He was eating the peanuts. "Give me my bag of peanuts," said the turtle to the monkey. "It is mine. I paid money for it." "No," said the monkey. "I found the bag. So it is mine." "Please give me the bag," the turtle said again. "My children are hungry, and I want to give them these peanuts to eat." "I shall not give you the bag," the monkey said again. "I found it, so it is mine. I am going to eat peanuts." The monkey had a long tail. It was hanging down. The turtle caught the tail. He gave it a big bite. "Ouch!" the monkey cried loudly. He pulled his tail. But the turtle would not let go. The monkey then threw down the bag of peanuts. "Here, take your peanuts," he said. "Let go of my tail now." The turtle left the monkey's tail and picked up the bag of peanuts. He went home and said, "Children, come and see what I have got for you." The children came running. They saw the bag of peanuts and were very happy. They all had a good feed of peanuts.